Here's all these items on the ground, just like someone just dumped them all here. Huh. Also, the people that are fishing, could you pick up their stuff or no? That they just
No,
drop?
you can't. You can't pick up their stuff because it's like, it's event stuff. You can't pick up event stuff.
Oh, so like the crab and catfish pot of stew.
Unfortunately, you can't pick it up.
So it's not like RuneScape.
Okay, what quest?
Eliminate one guardian of ruins.
Oh God.
What?
That's an advanced quest. How did a newer player get it?
Perfect for at least level 20.
Oh, it must be one of those low. They must have advanced. Did something to it to make
Go
it.
to the entrance and offer an expendable item, and once you enter, I want you to defeat one guardian of ruins. If you aren't sure what to do, or if you aren't sure what to offer, you may just offer 1 gold, and you will still be able to face the guardian. It's a good opportunity to see how far you've grown as a warrior.
I think that's the. Which dungeon does it say to do?
The Longa Desert Dungeon.
Yep, that's it. I'll take you there in a second. That's near Philia.
Okay.
1 second, I'm looking at something and then I'll take us there.
Or I could do Hurling Rocks.
Hurling Rocks.
Yeah.
You'd probably be better off to do the Guardian one.
Yeah.
Because I don't think that's a solo thing, so I think you'd be safe.
Oh wait, hang on, wait. Are we at the weapon shop? We are at the weapon shop, but I can't.
Yes, we are.
Click him. Click.
You're
him.
on my horse.
Oh. Yeah. I'm trying to get used to it.
Would you mind waiting here a second? I'm going to get on my elf in a minute and transfer all my gold.
Yeah, go on.
Because I have over 22,000 gold on that account. I can pretty much get anything. But I need to get it onto this character.
Yeah, go on.
I shall be right back.
Crap, I don't have enough for a sword.
I don't think you can get anything but the Skimtar with the elf.
It says original, and there's no thing against a elf or anything under it.
You might be able to get it. You might be able to get it then.
So I think original would just mean like everyone can have it, right?
Yep.
Okay, so yeah, I can have everything for this elf. Let's see, wait, which one is worse? 21 to 32, 19 to 34. Oh, so it's that one. The battle sword would be good. But then again, 3 to 50 for the war. 3 attack, 3 to 50 is the warhammer. Holy crap. Longsword's pretty pitiful, so it's a slow 2-hit weapon. Oh man, the longsword's worse. Slow 3-hit weapon. Wait, no, it's not. It does more.
If I'm correct, the Guardian of Ruins has horses, and if you don't kill him, he'll just keep spawning the damn horses. Or is that the Stone Horse Keeper? Okay, never mind. That was the Stone Horse Keeper.
Okay, I'm back.
Welcome back.
Oh my god, that sounds so annoying.
What does?
That sound right there.
Hey Dylan, could you quit doing that?
Quit doing what?
That noise. Digging around in that stuff.
I want to get the battle sword, but no.
Here, let me make a trade with you.
Oh wait, hang on, wait.
End your conversation.
Yeah. Got that. There we go. Oh yeah, I'm blind right now. Oh hey, thank you.
You're welcome. And since it said human elf only, you should be able to equip it.
Yay!
But unfortunately, elves cannot dual wield them.
Oh yeah,
See,
I know.
I'm dual wielding.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, elves cannot do that.
Sad. They should.
Yeah.
But oh well, she's good as like this. I like it.
Okay. We go to Philia now for that quest of yours.
Okay, so mount up.
Yep. Thought I'd let you ride the dragon this time.
Oh, that's fine. Yay!
When we get there, just stay on the dragon. I'll run us there.
Alright. Oh man, I love this dragon though. It's awesome.
I would trans right now, but I can't. I transed in that dungeon to beat the crap out of the hellhounds.
Huh.
5:50 a.m. is when I usually go to in for black, but I can't this time because I used it earlier to go to beat the hellhounds. Is this where it says your quest is?
Hang on, wait. Let me see. Yeah, called Guardian of Ruins at Longa Desert Dungeon. It's located south of Philia, not too far away
It's where
from the
we're at.
town. Okay, so I just need to defeat it.
Okay. Time to put the dragon up. Okay, your leader, just like divide one gold out and right, and then click on the entrance, or click on the entrance first. It doesn't matter. Either way, you'll be able to do it.
Oh, click on the entrance?
Yeah, click on the entrance, and it should ask you what you want to put in, and then just right click on your gold and click like divide one, and then select one out, and it should tell you.
Oh, right click it, divide.
One.
Okay, alright. Oh, dang it. Oh, wait. Oh, there we go. Close. Wait. Drop this item and enter the ruins. Okay, so I'm
Yes.
gonna...
Click OK. There we go. Look at me now.
Oh, nice.
And look at my rest.
Huh, that's awesome.
Just a pile of swords here.
Wait, what? It... Nope! Whoa, okay.
You should have got healed first. Here, make me party leader right quick. Oh, shh. Oh yeah, you should be able to kill these things since they're young ones.
Yeah.
This way.
So is my permanent horse supposed to look like that?
It will, yeah.
Okay. Oh wow, it's like a ghost.
Yeah, it won't let me quit the movie for some reason. I don't even know why. Oh, you're not in here.
Yeah, I'm in now.
Okay, good. Okay, hold on, let me put the party thing. Here you go, finish it off. Do you get what you needed?
Yeah, I think I could. Yeah, cleared it. You've achieved clear Longo Dungeon. Yay!
Second.
Received the Reach Level 30 quest.
Well, what level are you now?
Level 25 still.
5 levels then. Whatever you want to do.
Talk to Sion of Bangor.
Okay, I'll take you there in a second. He can't get on because he got mad at a game he was playing, and he punched his laptop screen and busted it. And that's why they're gonna access
Congratulations.
She sat there and clapped, Dylan, and said, "Congratulations."
Well done on your anger management skills for your laptop. I congratulate you.
Who is that?
It's a friend, Dylan. It's the same person I was talking to last night.
Oh, hi, friend. What's your last
Hi, call me Yuna.
He can't hear you. I've got headphones on.
Oh.
What's friend's last name?
He doesn't need to know my
That's a
last
good person
name.
to think of.
What kind of person asks for a last name? Really?
No, he thinks the way I said that I said that apparently he thinks your first name is friend.
Oh, friend.
I said
It's
When I get out, with all
my
of you,
first name. I go by my
What's
first name.
the-
It's Best. My first name is Best, and my last name is Friend.
nice.
Yeah.
Would you mind holding a second?
Yeah.